Let's look at another example when it comes to hire purchase. So in this example, they want us to calculate for the cash price, not to prepare the ledger accounts. So the question says Nairobi purchased a laptop on hire purchase from Matrix Limited on 1st August 2024 with an agreement to pay 300k on signing the contract. So this is the down payment. And the balance in 3 installments. So the first installment was to be paid at the end of the first year, which is 350,000, then 350,000 at the end of the second year, and 300k at the end of the third year. Interest is charged at a rate of 10% per annum. They want us to calculate for the cash price. So how do we handle this question? When we are calculating for the cash price, we use the backward method. So we draw the table where we have the year, then we have the installment, then we have the interest, and lastly we have the principal. In this case there was no depreciation. Like that. So we use the backward method in that we start with the last year. So the down payment was paid in 2024, meaning another installment will be paid in 2025, then 2026, then 2027, like that. So when we are using the backward method, we start with 2027. So 31st December 2027. The installment is 300k. So 300k. How do we get the interest? They told us, according to the question, the interest is 10% per annum. So we are going to get 300k times 10%. What we get is 30,000. That's the interest. So how do we get the principal? Installment minus the principal minus the interest, we get the principal. So this minus this, we get 270. Then we go to the next year, which is 31st December 2026. The installment was 250. How do we get the interest? We get this principal, we add the installment for the last year. So 270 plus the 300k. What we get is 570, so times 10%, which is 57,000. That's the interest. How do we get the principal? This minus this, we get 29300. Like that. Then we go to the next year, which is 31st December 2025. The installment was 350k. How do we get the interest? We get this plus this plus this, the principal plus the installment. So 270 plus 293 plus 350,000. what we get is 913,000. So 913,000 times 10%. What we get becomes the interest, 91,300. So how do we get the principal? This minus this. What we get is 258,700. Like that. Then the year when the down payment was made, it was 1st August 2024. So the down payment was 300k. When a down payment is made, there is usually no interest. So this 300k becomes the principal. So 300k, like that. So how do we get the cash price of the laptop? We add the principal. This plus this plus this plus this. What we get becomes the cash price. So we use our calculator. 270,000 plus 293,000 plus 258,700 plus 300,000. What we get is the cash price 112. That was the cash price of the laptop. So when we are calculating for the cash price, this is what we do. We use the backward method to calculate for it. Yeah, so that is all about hire purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. Let's catch up in my next video.